Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about chi-square test and the F distribution. These topics are used in the business statistics to analyze data. They help us understand whether data follows an expected pattern or not in real life. Companies use these tests to make decisions based on data, not guesses. First, I'll explain the chi-square goodness of fit test. This test checks if real data fits an expected distribution. We compare what we observed in the sample with what we expected to see. If the difference is big, it means the data does not follow the claim. In this test, we always start with hypothesis. The null hypothesis says the distribution is correct and nothing changed. The alternative hypothesis says that distribution is different. Usually, the claim we want to check is written in the null hypothesis. Observed frequency means the real number we get from the data. Expected frequency is the number we calculate using a formula. The formula is expected equals sample size, time probability. Each expected value must be at least 5, otherwise the test is not reliable. Next, we calculate the chi-square value. The formula uses the difference between observed and expected value. If the chi-square value is large, the difference is also large. This means the data is probably not following the expected distribution. Now, let's talk about the F distribution. It's used when we want to compare two variants. The F distribution is not symmetric and is skewed to the right. Most F values are close to 1 if variants are similar. The two sample F tests compares two population variances. For example, we compare an old system and new system. The sample must be random and independent. If the F value is large, the variances are not equal. One way ANOVA is used when we compare 3 or more means. Instead of many t-tests, we use one ANOVA test. It checks if at least one group means is different. This method is common in experiment and business studies. In ANOVA, the mass hypothesis says all means are equal. The alternative hypothesis says that at least one mean is different. We compare variation between groups and within groups if the F value is large. We reject the null hypothesis. To summarize, chi-square tests are used for distribution. F tests are used to compare variance. ANOVA is used to compare several means. All these methods help businesses make better decisions using data. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.